One store in Shopify, one store in WooCommerce. Let's sync them. Inventory, products, orders, all stay in sync in real time. Your products transfer exactly how WooCommerce expects them, with variants, images, and details fully intact. Inventory updates instantly across all stores, so you never oversell or manually adjust stock again. And orders, they flow automatically between stores, keeping everything aligned. Even shipping details, taxes, product type, physical or digital, are handled automatically. Let me show you how QuickSync works in action. First, we are going to sign in. We are going to type our Shopify store name. We are going to click install. Now we are going to choose the plan. I'm choosing Ultra plan and I'm having only one integration connection. Now we are going to connect second store, which is WooCommerce. Once we have connected WooCommerce, we are going to sync our products. We can either choose to sync everything or we can choose to sync selectively, only the products that we want to sync. Currently, I'm choosing to sync all of the products and I'm going to sync them from Shopify to WooCommerce. I'm going also to export products and I will create SKU for the products in case they don't already have assigned one. And I will click next step and start syncing. That's it. All of our products have been successfully synced. Our inventory from now on will adjust in real time. We can also turn on product syncing so that every change made in one platform will automatically reflect in another one. It can be name of a product, it can be a price, it can be a picture, anything. Currently, I'm choosing Shopify to be my master store because I'm maintaining my products in Shopify. And also, I will turn on auto SKU generation, so whenever I create a new product in Shopify, it will automatically transfer to WooCommerce. And I will click Start Syncing. And that's it. But that's not all. We can also turn on order syncing, so every order is automatically mirrored to another platform, keeping everything aligned. So I want Shopify to be my fulfillment store, and I just click Start Syncing. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Bye!